Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I make Seviyaan Upma. Semia actually is a vermicelli, and vermicelli is a traditional type of pasta round in sections similar to spaghetti, but it is thinner than spaghetti. And the term vermicelli is also used to describe various types of thin pasta noodles in Asia. So here in a pan, I'm roasting my semia or my vermicelli, and this is 2 cups of vermicelli. I'm gonna roast it until it becomes golden brown. So it is done, and here in another pan, I'm boiling some water. It's about 2 cups of water. So let's bring it to a boil. And now it is boiling. So let's check it. So I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, and followed by my vermicelli, my roasted vermicelli. So this one I'm gonna boil it until it becomes cooked. And of course, we have to stir it once in a while to avoid the vermicelli stick at the bottom of the pan. So this one looks good. It is cooked. Very beautiful. So now this is the time I'm going to transfer it into my strainer. I'm gonna strain it because I want to remove the excess water from it. So here in a pan, I'm heating some oil. This is about 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding my peanuts in it. This is 1/4 cup of peanuts, and I'm going to roast it until it becomes crispy and golden brown. So when it starts crackling, you have to remove the peanuts because it means it is cooked and crispy. So now I'm going to remove it. I'm putting it into the kitchen paper to remove the excess oil from it. So on the same pan, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. This is about 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of chana dal and few of the curry leaves. So I'm going to roast these mustard seeds and chana dal until it becomes golden brown, like crispy, and of course the mustard seeds will be crackling. And I'm adding now my onions. This is 1 onion. I slice it. Like, you can slice it according to your choice. And now it is translucent. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 2 green chilies. And as always, I'm not cutting my green chilies because I don't want it to be spicy. So this is the time I'm gonna add my 1 cup peas and carrot and my capsicum. It is all julienne cut. You can cut it by your choice, and keep stirring it to avoid the veggies stick to the bottom of the pan, and cover it for a while so that it cooks evenly. And now this is the time I'm going to add all those spices that we need. Here I got 1 teaspoon, I think it's 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and black pepper half teaspoon, and followed by 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce. And before I forget, I also add this cumin powder, 1 teaspoon. So stir it, keep stirring it, otherwise it will stick to the pan. So now I'm gonna add my boiled semia into it. So here it is. So now let's mix it. Keep stirring it until it mixes all together and all the strands of the vermicelli will get coated by the masala. Yeah, it looks good and it smells good too here. So now this is the time I'm going to season it with 2 teaspoons of kitchen king powder, and I'm gonna add my roasted peanuts that I have cooked before, and I'm going to garnish it with coriander leaves. And now I'm mixing it. Looks good and it smells good and it looks tasty. You have to try this at home. It's very healthy. So now it is ready to serve. And before I forget, guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, like, and please give me a thumbs up, and please do comment. Bye!